Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix a cloned Facebook account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, in order to fix the issue, first what you need to do is go ahead on the Facebook app and then find that contact which you think has been cloned. And once you have done that, all you gotta do is screenshot on that account, and once you have done that, tap on the menu icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and once you're here, scroll down and then tap on help and support, and now tap on help center and then tap on report a problem, and here tap on report a problem once again. Now tap on don't include in report. Once you're here, scroll down and then tap on profile, and here all you gotta do is upload that screenshot right here, and on the text box you can write something like, hello Facebook, I have found a cloned account of my Facebook account, please check this account and then help me solve this issue, or something like this. And once you have done with that, tap on send, and your issue should be sent to the Facebook servers and checked it, and after a couple of days after reviewing, they will reach out to you and solve the issue. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.